Tech lovers, get ready. The iPhone 16 Pro is here and it's packed with surprises. Welcome back to Technical Mastermind. Today we're breaking down the iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Pro. First up, design. The iPhone 16 sports a sleek aluminum frame, while the Pro version steps it up with a premium titanium build and darker color palette. Display time. The iPhone 16 gets a Super Retina XDR display, but the Pro wows with promotion tech and a silky smooth 120Hz refresh rate. Camera enthusiasts, rejoice. The iPhone 16's dual camera system now excels in low light, while the Pro adds a triple camera setup with LiDAR, improved zoom, and Pro RAW for pro-level shots. Under the hood, both have the A17 Bionic chip, but the Pro's got extra GPU power for intense graphics. Battery life, better across the board, plus faster charging. And both run on iOS 18 with new privacy settings, multitasking, and widgets. So, is the iPhone 16 Pro worth it? If you crave cutting-edge tech, absolutely. Otherwise, the iPhone 16 is a stellar choice too. Thanks for tuning in to Technical Mastermind. Like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews. See you next time.